Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber. Today I'm going to share with you my finished fall journal. I thought I had filmed a video showing you it fully decorated and not journaled in, but I must have dreamt that because I do not have that video. So we're going to look at it finished. So here she is. She's full and she's chunky. The only thing left to do is to add in some photos. So I'm actually going to go get those printed today and add those in here, and then she will go on the shelf. And I think I just tied that in a knot. So we'll just slip it on down. I did add 2024 to the front of my cover so I can remember. I've got this empty pocket here in the front now, and I'm going to be throwing a picture in there. I love the first page with a cup of coffee. And then the simplicity of this little journal here. I love the little additions. This is that orange dyed doily my son made, and this is the day I went to go vote, so I put my little vote sticker in there. It even says right here, I went to go vote. Now this is empty, so I didn't use all of the journaling in here, so I need to go back and pull some of these pieces out because I just didn't use them. This page here is my absolute favorite, and it's something that I've never done before in creating, with a flip over belly band with a pocket behind it, and it has a front door, which is absolutely perfect because that is the day I went and visited Mom. And then there's a little tag here in the front that I tucked in there and wrote on, and it was just meant to be that that was the day that that house that house went there. It was just perfect. Got a fox here, little cards here. This is me visiting Mom. I'm going to add a photo here and then here as well. And then I'm glad I put the boat in here too, because this is the day that I actually left my mom. So I won't get to see her again until after the snow is all gone, because we don't travel in winter. It's just not safe. So I get to read about like solitude and, you know, enjoying my time with her, and then coming back to my boys. Gonna add a photo here. This is Veterans Day, so I always write Happy Veterans Day. Thankful for all of you that are currently serving our country. I've got my cute little raccoons in here, and again, meant to be because these are my two little buddies. This is the day that I got to come home and visit, home from vacation, and I got big hugs from my two little boys. And then I'm going to add a photo here. Yeah, lots of fun. So this was an unintended page. I didn't mean to journal here, but I journaled on this little scrapbook paper here, and it talks about finding a shoebox. So it was my first year doing the shoebox donation. I think it's Samaritan. Oh, I'm gonna mess up the name, but it was a thing I found at Hobby Lobby, and so I filled up this little box for a little girl, and then I put this quote here: "No one has ever become poor by giving," by Anne Frank. And I don't like to just throw quotes into my stuff. I want to know who said that. So I looked up Anne Frank, and she was a little Jewish girl that writes in her diary. Amazing little girl. She was 15 years old, and she was hiding in the Holocaust. She was hiding with her family in 1945. Yeah, and she died. So that was really sad, but I'm glad that I looked her up and I got to journal about that and learn something. I'm gonna put a photo here. This is a flip up pocket, and then back behind there I'll be able to tuck a picture in there. There's some more journaling. This one has a big page of journaling here, and then I got a spot here for a photo. I was thinking this would be Thanksgiving, but as you can see, we're only on the 24th, so Thanksgiving is a little bit further. So reminder for myself, don't glue in your big giant journaling page, because I struggled with Thanksgiving and having enough space because it ended up going here. So I'm going to put a picture here of everybody, and then I did a little journaling here. Happy Thankful Day. That's what my son calls it. He calls it Thankful Day. And this is my turkey. I always cut off my turkey tag and save it, and then I did journal on the back. So I got almost a 15-pound turkey this year, which is pretty standard. I get around a 13 to 14 pounder. So that's always fun. And I do like to keep my coffee things, but I didn't, it was too big to fit in here. I'm looking for it. Oh, here it is. It's off to the side. So this is my Fall in Love ground coffee pumpkin spice. So this will be saved for next year's journal, and I'll end up cutting it off, and I always like to make it a pocket or a tuck, or I turn it into a journal card. But yeah, I love keeping my wrapping from my pumpkin spice coffee. This was like eating. The picnic was, we were eating, and then my little boy was he's 12 this year, and he made me and his brother and his dad and his brother a little thank you card. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Thank you to Mom from Lincoln. This is him. This is me. I love it. I love it. And it's on a little kitty cat card. So I had to tuck that in here somewhere, even though it's bigger than my journal. So precious. I added little chipmunks to the very back. This was the day, always on, I try to do it on Black Friday, but this year we were a day behind. So I put my tree up on November 30th. And then I have a pocket back here that I'm going to actually tuck in another photo. And then everything in here is all extra goodies that I did not even use. So I'll have fun playing with these bits and pieces next year. I really like this little journal, and this is what I was hoping it would land on Thanksgiving Day, but again, no, didn't work out. So anyways, that is my finished fall journal for the most part. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at it, and off to Christmas we go. Bye for now.